as a student, my answer is yes. Because as a student po, kay gamit po dyan siya sa mua sa part na mo being of a student kay like sa mga research, sa mga sa mga gipanghatag sa mga teacher nga research kay magamit jud na mo siya. So mo to.
Should students be allowed to use the internet Wi-Fi video during school hours?
Yes, because na may mga students nga kailangan ng internet para silang activity like mag-research sila about certain informations about topics nila. And if allowed po sila teacher kung pwede sila magamit o wifi vendor.
Students be allowed to play computer games in internet rooms inside the school during school hours.
For me po kanang dili ko moangay ana kay kung magdula kag internet games during sa school hours kay mura kay matunan ana kay mura ra nasa balay na leisure time ra gud ka, so para sa kuan
Should SSLG to help in implement policies concerning internet use during school hours? If there is no existing policy, what should SSLG do?
As a member of the SSLG here in Heraclio, I think if there is no policies of that kind of issues, I think if as SSLG, of course, we have our own vocal voice to encourage our fellow students. And I think if there is no policies, SSLG must stand as a leader because, of course, they are the leader in the school. They should be the vocal leader. So, by term of encouraging the most of the students, I think so. In that way, we can implement we can evict the issues that the school is facing now.
What should SSLG help in implement policies concerning use during school hours? If there is no existing policy, what should SSLG do? So I think the exist naman din siya but nakaputang dili if there is no existing policy, what should SSLG do? So as SSLG siguro ang matabang you have to implement policies by doing campaigning, then use your initiative, di ba? So, campaigning sa mga group by group, dito mo ma-explain sa ila what is the advantage or disadvantages kung sa'y ka ng kalahian o kung sa'y ka maayo ang online or internet use. Ito na nila siguro kabalo, mas ito pa ba bilang siguro kabalo naman sila, mas ma-learn nila sa by doing that. Kaya mag-limit lang ka na gamit ko kung ana, if maabot niya ang mga teachers na hindi ka magsabot mo or something na ang student allowed lang sabot nila kaya ang students siguro kabalo na sila pero if for me gusto na ko magtabang policy siguro magkaano sa mga teachers na dito mo magsabot nila na magamit lang sila para school purposes only hindi na allowed by siya so by doing campaigning mismo sa imuhang kaugaling pinabuhat mo siya so makitaan mo na nila pati ikaw na yung pinabuhat mo sa iyong so in-inspire mo ang uwan na sumunod ka so mo na siya ka na advantage so kada pa lang mabarning sa katabangan na mo ma-implement mo siya
The last questions or the fourth questions is, what sanctions should SSLG propose for students who violate policies regarding internet use during school hours? So the first offense is verbal warning and temporary suspension of internet access. Second offense is written notice to parents, guardians, and mandatory counseling. The third offense is longer suspensions of internet privilege and possible disciplinary actions as outlined in schools code of conduct. Sanctions should be focused on rehabilitation and ensuring students understand the importance of responsible internet use rather than purely punitive measures.